Hey there, today I will show you how Uber Eats driver application process. Um, for this, first you add your personal details and select the vehicle, uh, which vehicles you want to try, bicycle, motorbike or scooter and car. Then submit your documents. Your document requirements depends on the vehicle. To upload documents, use your app or sign in to partners.uber.com to visit your partner dashboard. When you upload an image, make sure the document's image is clear and all text is readable. All four corners of the document are visible. Then complete a background check. After you sign up for a courier account, you will receive an email asking you to complete your background check. And then if you have not received the email, first check your spam or junk folder, then contact the Uber support team at help.uber.com. And that's it. That's how you can apply for Uber Eats driver app.